Well, welcome to our next project. This one's going to be exciting. It's another pre-war, I don't know, the smallest or the hardest, and a major transformation for us because it's just so tight and everything in here is a problem. And what's really exciting about this apartment to me is the owner wants everything, and every time I have a challenge for the impossible, it's of course when we rise to the best that we can possibly be. What's going to happen now in this kitchen, which is really challenging, is we want to open, and we probably will open this all the way up to all this whole wall comes out to the back. We're putting a washer dryer here. We have to rip out the soffit. We kind of are a little bit worried because we aren't quite sure. We know it's hollow, but we don't know exactly what's up there other than the air duct. And this whole thing gets ripped out. The floor comes up. It's done in a porcelain floor, but we have to rip out the baseboards, rip up the floor, rip. So we actually are on 77th Street and we're starting another, we think we're starting this in a week, so we're under the gun. This whole wall comes out. And when we take this wall out, we'll be taking out the molding probably around it and have to deal with that later. We're going to push this closet back and create a smaller closet, new interior. Open this hall wall up to the beam. There's a beam that's very similar to the ones in this living room for it. We'll have to have challenges with this apartment's floor height because we have some issues with wet over dry slabs that we can't take out, but we're going to take it down as far as we can and have a matching wood transition here. The floors are actually beautiful. They're just in bad need of repair. All that bookshelf will come out. We're going to clean up the window. We don't know why, and we do know why, but these windows were replaced, and when they replaced them, they didn't get as big a window as they should have. So we're going to clean up that weird white space on the side of the window casing and actually make the window frame appropriate for the window. This radiator cover comes out, the radiator gets replaced, we put a through-the-wall air conditioner in here. This is a landmark building, so it's taken us time to get it all approved. And then we'll lift the fire, this is just a wall-mounted fireplace, and we'll put a stone quartz that matches this beautiful stone quartz that's going to go in the kitchen. Here we're challenged with, of course, no space, so once we pulled this up, and the major negative of this apartment is that you access the bathroom to the bedroom, and that makes no sense whatsoever for resale. And this is an owner who's investment conscious because she doesn't think she's going to be in the city for more than 5 years because of her job. She travels around the world internationally for a big cosmetics company. But the challenge for us was, because we had to come in after somebody who was fired for planning, we had to redesign a little bit of it. And what happened is we stuck with part of the design, which is that we want to open this wall. There's a closet on the other side, which we'll see when we go in the bedroom. And this wall is what's going to become open so that we actually have a passageway from this front lobby, well, it's really the front hallway and the kitchen, with pocket doors so that we don't take up space and then convert the tub to a shower. And we're going to move this door entrance to the other side and have a pocket door there, so we're maximizing the interior footprint because this is a less than 700 square foot apartment. Well, let's go in the bedroom and we'll see what happens. So this bedroom, as we've talked about now, we're going to take this casing out and this structural column stays. We're going to put, and all the electric has to be completely redone. It's a mess. There's a pocket door over here. The lighting changes. Again, another through-the-wall air conditioner with dedicated lines. We'll end up sanding and refinishing this floor, but we're adding you can see this is where the closet is now, and that's going to become, with all that removed, part of the hallway that goes into the bathroom. This wall, even though we rebuild it, is almost where the bathroom wall will be. We're going to build a big built-in closet that'll come out about 5 feet from that corner. So she's going to have a big walk-in closet on this side and another built-in on the other side with an opening, to the ceiling opening here, so that when she enters into her bathroom, she's coming from the bedroom with a pocket door, or you enter from the front hall through a pocket door. So now we have the access that we would want in a bedroom, in a one bedroom. That makes tons of sense for us. But it was really, really a challenge to figure out how to do this. Let's talk about the bathroom. So in this bathroom, which now it's a pocket door that's going to open that allows us to go into the bedroom, we kind of really walk through a small passageway, which is the closet on the right and the left for her. And we still kept enough space so it's a king-size bed in her bedroom with 2 side tables for the bed and rearranged all the electric in there. We're going to convert this from a tub to a shower, which gives us enough room for the 36 inches that we need and still have a nice size 36 by 36 inch shower here with the frameless glass doors. We think that by keeping the toilet where it is and moving this vanity over to the outside wall, we can actually have a bigger vanity top. It'll be probably more than about 5 feet wide, and we'll have the double, replace these with new Roburns that are taller, the double recessed cabinets and lighting that makes sense. Replacing ductwork by the building, ripping open in the walls, and actually in this case we actually have the building replacing some risers, in which they do when you're in demo, and it just makes more sense to have them come in and rip it open and replace these big pipes that are in the wall. So it's going to be ciao for now until our next visit, which will be the transformation. So see you then.